Welcome back, fam. Today it's gonna be a video of me just where I work, what I do for a living. So come here, follow me, guys. Ooh, got my coffee because it's a little windy. This is it. That's the car I'm gonna be working on. It's a Ford. I think it's basura. I just don't like old cars. Sorry, guys. That's just me. It's just too much of a hassle. This is a tire room, guys. So we bust out the tires, rims. This is a shop. This is where I'm at. This is what I do. Just a little quick overview of what I do. Well, I mean, as you see, I do tires, I do brakes, I do alignments. And this is the outside. That's my other car right there. A little Prius. Let's get it. I needed some coffee. I was falling asleep. This is it. This is where I work. I got my coworker over there working on a nice Porsche. Trying to get it to start. Let's go check it out. We'll start. We'll get it to start. We'll fire it up. I think I just flipped my camera around. I could be wrong. I'm gonna set my phone somewhere here because I gotta work on this car. I gotta adjust the parking brake. I gotta take care of some leaks. And I forgot what else. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Yo!
When you looked at that black Jeep for Craig, oh, we have to scan it still.
Yeah, we gotta. You wanna bring it? You wanna bring it in? I'll scan it.
Jesus. Here we go.
Come on, bro.
No, I'm gonna take the Hyundai first. The one that Guillermo finished, because he knows how to finish cars.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Jeez.
It's just when you're done, bring it and then we'll scan it, bro.
Oh, bring it.
Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Those lines right there. Can you see them? Those are the lines that are leaking, so I gotta remove them and add some maybe Teflon tape. That's it. What's up, brother?
Betcha.
Betcha.
With the year of this thing, I don't know how much stuff is gonna come out. Right.
Oh, diesel.
Well, we need to start with that first and then see what we get. I mean, I still gotta test the fuel pump itself.
Whoa!
See if it's working.
Easy there, bro. Sorry, bro. You're gonna be on the YouTube video, by the way. It was that guy right there. You guys heard that? It was that.
Sure.
It was
It's
that.
landing on the fucking
Yeah, it's
ground.
all jumping out.
This guy just laid a fart right here. This guy right here. That guy that's giving the
Yeah, because
back
where
over
it's
here,
leaking
yeah.
from, it's right by the gas
That
station.
guy right there. His name is Adrian. Yeah.
Are you over next door?
I'll give you his Instagram. It's
Yeah, go
Were you recording when I? Were you recording when I?
Stinky.
When I farted?
Oh, it's recording now. It'll be on YouTube, bro. It'll be YouTube famous, bro.
Ooh, trim boys.
Should I do the leg flex?
Oh,
Yeah, bro, do it. Whoa!
I'm not going to do that in front of you.
Boys will be boys. You know?
That's true.
Okay.
That's true.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Little boy?
Little boy.
Big boy.
Little boys.
Big boys don't do
I was a little boy. I'm not a little boy anymore.
Trim boys? Bad. Oh, look at that. That's the Porsche I'm talking about. It had a fuel leak, so we figured out the problem. It was leaking fuel. Anyways, let's get back to what I was telling you guys. Now the problem over here is the rear brakes. They're not, emergency brakes not grabbing how it's supposed to. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out what the problem is. I think they're just out of adjustment. So, show you guys my toolbox. This is my toolbox. It's a little messy, but anyways. Got a nice BMW right here. Ooh, Bentley. That's a Range Rover. Ooh, the S-Class Mercedes. And of course, I want a toolbox. Let's see. Oh yeah. Out of adjustment. It's a little too tight, man. There you go. That's better. It's a little windy today. Hope you guys like this video. This is the car I was working on. It's a V8. I bled the system already. I bled the brake system. It's good now. Fixed the emergency brake. Now it's driving. Looking good. That leak from the power steering line I was talking about, line was a little loose. So I tightened it up and we'll drive it and recheck it. Make sure there's no more leaks. Make sure it's driving good. Well, that's it, fam. Let me show you guys the alignment rack. I forgot to show you guys the alignment rack. Oh, look at this caddy right here. We're working on this caddy too. Nothing but old cars. I don't like old cars. I mean, this is a nice one, but I don't. This is the alignment rack right there. That's what I do. Oh, my boss is here. I gotta go. Bye.